This guy said there was something in the mail from, or coming from him. I rest the phone in my foot. I think he's in, try to keep the address. I know I've got it somewhere, but everything I seem to have either disappears or gets fucking thrown away. He's in Chicago right now, I believe, with his lady. Saw some pictures. All-Star Jersey Shop, Manny, for those who don't know. Deep dish pizza, that shit looks fucking amazing. I think I gorge myself until I died on that. I mean, that was something I wanted to do last summer, but it seems like every summer there's shit I want to do and fucking falls apart. But one day I'll get down there and gain 20 more unneeded pounds. And he said he was sending something he couldn't fit in his new cave for all genders. Some sort of paper here. There's an envelope here. Some more. Why are you sending me garbage? I have a fairly good idea what it is, and I'm nervous. First up, see my feet. Nobody wants to see those fuckers. I don't know why it's not focusing. Favorite wrestler, Bret Hart. Focus, cocksucker. He was supposed to come up to Superior a couple hours away last year, and I don't think he did. Which I was hoping to meet him there, and again, it's all these fuckers say they're gonna come up and nobody ever does. That's why the summer would have been nice. I had plans, and those plans fucking fell through today when the ticket team didn't take PayPal. I don't fuccan do credit card shit. I never will. I just don't give a shit about it. I don't trust anyone. I don't care about, well, it's this and this. No, I don't trust people. I don't trust things. So they don't take PayPal. It was just fucking credit cards, so I lost out on front row tickets. So that determining factor, I will not go. Why would... Douchebag, you should keep this for your enjoyment. Why would... Manny. I know I've got shit for you. I'm gonna have to look. And I know you're gonna say the same thing I always say. Nothing is needed, but that is not how I work. Ever. I never feel like I deserve anything. And that's the way I always feel. But, it's got a little JSA down here. It's not going to focus because I don't know why it's not. But Scotty Hall, Kevin Nash, the red and black, Hall with, it's like a painted type picture with Chico on it. Big Sexy with the NWO. I really wanted to meet him this summer, but again, if I'm gonna drop I was prepared to drop $180, which would have been $200 after fees on 3 front row tickets. Then I was gonna with Stan Hansen, Steamboat, Patera, Hall Nash, Bischoff, Mean Gene would have been part of that front row shit. I'm dropping $400 to $500 on it. If I'm not getting front row, there's no fucking point in me going. I'm that petty with that shit. I want to fucking... If I'm going front row. I'm going balls out like I did down in Bayfield when I met Piper, Booker T, Stevie Richards, the Steiner brothers, Jake the Snake Roberts. So, yeah, I'm decided if I ain't getting front row, I ain't fucking going. I'm stubborn, I'm a douche like that, but for wrestling, I go all in or I won't go. I'll figure out something else to spend money on. Especially when you don't take PayPal. That's just, ugh. But anyway, that's not about this. This is about Manny and some incredible generosity here. Scotty Hall's always been one of my favorites. I love doing like the drunk Scott Hall. Kevin Nash. Everybody knows his political backstage pandering to always make sure he gets himself in the position that puts him in the best light. But nobody can argue these two guys and their importance to the world of professional wrestling. And Manny, you need to put all these pictures on the fucking wall. God damn it. Naomi's sick, I've got a cough. Fucking weather. If you guys are bitching about weather anywhere else, I'm gonna give you a fucking what's the capital of Thailand question, because it's fucking cold out. The wind feels literally like it's the middle of January. It's a below zero wind chill. It's like 10 below wind chill. It's April 6th. There's snow out there. There's 2.5 to 3 feet of ice on all the lakes. Fishing openers in about a month. So, Manny, thank you. There, a little better. All-Star Jersey Shop is his YouTube channel. It's one of the rare rare customs I've got. I'll have to find something Bret Hart-wise for you. I wish he was coming up this way. Maybe I could finagle something for... Get a personalized picture. Well, I'll figure something out. I usually do. I have my ways and my sources, but Manny, thank you again, brother. It's completely unnecessary. Actually, I'm flabbergasted. We'll have to get this in some sort of framing mechanism, because that is a fucking beaut. Have fun in Chi-Town. Don't fall in Lake Michigan. Eat some more pizza. I want to see more pizza. You should... I'll have to text you. Hopefully you can get a pizza vid up before you get back. Do a pizza vid there and do a New York one just so we can see the differences, because I highly doubt. I highly doubt I'll ever get out to New York City. That's not a place I really care to go. With an opinionated person like myself, that... But thank you again. I'm stunned. This is far too much, Manny. Love you, man. Enjoy Chi-Town. Enjoy the vacation. And I'll be hitting you with a text pretty quick here, right after I shut this video off. Take her easy, YouTube. She's easy. Take her twice.